This is a tool I would like to expose you to today. Okay, that tool, one of the tools that we use in the crypto space. You know, it kind of helps us to visualize the market, in a very good format. All right, so it is called crypto bubbles. This concept has been existing for a while, since a very long time. It is possible that maybe on WhatsApp, on Telegram, Discord, on Facebook, it is possible that somebody must have sent you a screenshot like this, okay, that displays, things in bubble like this. Okay, look at this, in form of bubble like this one. Okay, did you see that? So it kind of give you, it helps us to visualize what is happening in the market. It is boring. It feels boring going to coinmarketcap.com like this. Okay, it's a little bit boring in my opinion. Okay, it appears like this one. Okay, it feels boring, isn't it? Okay, you're already used to this, right? You're used to this. So, but this is even better. This is a better view. Bitcoin has gained like 10% in the last 7 days. Ethereum did like 6.12% last 7 days. You have BNB is not doing much, it's kind of static. We have Solana done like 13.6% profit in the last few days now. So basically, this is what you want to use. Like you want to like have a platform where you can easily visualize some of these concepts. Obviously, these guys draws a lot of their data from exchanges, from CoinMarketCap also. All right. Now, you can switch today. What are when you look at this, the market is green, amazing, beautiful. Okay, only few coins are actually down by few percentage, like VXN, VXV token, the Massa token is down. Okay, I don't do that one again. Just very few guys are down today. All right, and if you come here to come market cap, for instance, you check. Let me say losers. Let us check the top losers. Let's see if you can find them here. Recently added is there. What about the top gainers? Okay, for the maybe for the week or for the day, kind of. Let me check this. Okay, recently added. These are the top gainers and losers. Okay, so the top gainers are right here. Okay, then we are the top losers. Okay, WorldCoin, Ethena, Celestia, Dog with Hearts. For today, they are among the top losers for today. You can switch this to like 7 days to see those who are among the top losers for the week. Okay, you have Ethena is losing badly. WorldCoin is also doing bad. Dog with Hearts is down by 5.19%. KuCoin share is down by 2.53%. All right. So these are the guys who are pumping like crazy. Pep is not doing bad really. To my surprise. And this is Ondo. Okay, Ondo. I talked about this project at the earliest possible stage at 6 cents. In the crypto niche community. During that period. Those of you able to jump into that, I want to say congrats to you guys. All right. So I actually got in around, I think around 16 cents, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I bought around 16 cents. Was it 16 cents or let me check that. Anyways, well, the bottom line is that we got into Ondo quite early. Okay, I'm not going to be leaving Ondo until I have like 10x for my entry on Ondo. Okay, even though it's gone down, gone up, gone down, gone down, it's gonna be one of the movers in this bull season. It's a new project, just about a few months old. Okay, it's gonna be a very good performer, in my opinion. I've done my research, I've done my fundamentals before I dropped that in the trade to earn community some months ago. So that is it. We had those who were able to leverage this on exchanges, and after that pump from 16 cents, they made a cool profit on that. Okay, someone actually opened a long position on Ondo, and he rolled that from 16 cents to about 0.86 plus about 86 cents. So now coming back to this crypto bubbles, this is why we are here. You can switch to day, week, month, like this one. You can say on a monthly basis, most of these tokens are actually yet to recover from the previous drawdowns. All right. On a yearly basis, okay, everything is green. Not everything is green really, but majority of these guys are green on a yearly basis. So the last 1 year it has been pumped. Now, those people that at this one, someone asked me the question. Look at Ato. Ato has done like 14, 15x. Look at that. Bonk has done over 5,000% pump in the last 1 year. Okay, you have OM has done over 2,000% pump in the last 1 year. So Basically, what I want you to know is that we are, really in the bull season, right? And the bull season has started since last year. Now, people come to my DM and ask me questions like, "Oh, engineer, when is the bull? When is the bull run? What is the bull run? Which coin can I buy for the bull run?" Okay, no, I've told you. I've sent you a crypto newsletter. Okay, if you subscribe to the email through the email or through the WhatsApp, you must have received it. I told you tokens I have, tokens I'm buying, right? And I think that's pretty much enough, really. Okay, so I'm not gonna be saying, okay, we are still in bear market. Come on, guys, how can you say you're in bear market when some coins have done crazy wrong? Okay, did you not make money from Bonk? Tell me, did you make money from Bonk? Okay, did you not make money from Pep? Right? And a few other guys here, a few other winners here. So honestly, the truth is that we are in a bull market, okay? And when we're in the bear market, everybody go feel am. You go feel am, right? AR has pumped like crazy. If you can recall, I dropped the high call on WhatsApp. If you can recall, we bought at a very, very low price during that period, almost at the floor price. If you can recall on WhatsApp, crypto comments on WhatsApp and also on Telegram. So what I'm saying is, in essence, is that we are pretty much in a bull season. Okay, we are pretty much in a bull season. What you should be looking out for is not the bull season anymore. What you should be looking out for is the bear market. When will the bear market start? Okay, and this is where your analytical skills will actually save you. Okay, you could have an idea of when the market turns bearish. Okay, the market is bullish right now. I'm okay. I'm not going to be bearish. You make money when other people are making money. All right. So as soon as the market turns bearish, okay, you can also make money because the fear is actually a big emotion. Like it's a very powerful emotion, as far as human being is concerned. So the fear really, yeah, Nias does a very good. So how do you now use this platform, to visualize all of these stuff? You can actually go here, and edit stuff. Like you can switch to period like 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, daily time frame, this hourly time frame. The bubble size could be like a rank. Okay, if you want the bubble to show you like based on their rank on market cap. Also, based on their data, their rank, also their market cap. When they're talking about their market capitalization, look at this. Okay, of course, the BTC is the biggest in terms of market cap. They're followed by Ethereum, the House of Solana, Cardano, USDC, and the rest of them. All right. So you can also come here to edit this. You can say, okay, in terms of 24 hours volume, which among them has the highest volume 24 hours? It was USDT. Okay, USDT even had more volume than Bitcoin. Okay, USDC even had more volume than Solana. Okay, so in terms of ranking, one, two, three, four, and five. These are the top five cryptocurrencies that had the biggest volume in the last 24 hours. In the crypto space. So you can come here and say, okay, bubble content, you can change this to like name, dominance if you want. Okay, you can see in terms of dominance in the market, right? You can see that. So basically, you can even change the color based on performance or based on rank. Okay, or it should be neutral like this. Everybody is the same color, or like this one. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, I'm gonna drop this right now. Let me just let me say cancel like this. So you can check which exchange you want to use. You can use Binance. You can switch to Binance if you want. You can see because when you switch to Binance, you can see FDUSD right now. Okay, you can switch to Gates if you want. Okay, you can switch to Gates. You can switch to MEX like this. FDUSD disappeared. Okay, it means that FDUSD is on Gates, isn't it? You can go to Coinbase if you want. Okay, you can have a watch list for yourself, favorites. You can have a block list. The pages could be like maybe like 501 to 600. It will remove those one at the top of the coin market cap. So in that range, you can see Sweatcoin, you can see Pulse, PEP, PEP, CBK, TT, Bell, their STMX, Boba and the rest of them. All right. So now I think you have an idea of how to navigate, how to leverage this platform like this one. You can see if you want, you can even have it like this one, like a list format. This is a list format, right? So you can check the data like last hour, day, week, month, year. You can see. Okay, like this guy's done like over, like well, Moonway has done like over 400% in the last 1 year. All right. Map Protocol, for instance, has only done 18.9% in the last 1 year. That's a very poor performance, on that project. You have OX coin is there, like that. So basically, now you have an idea of how to use crypto bubbles. Okay, I believe that you are going to try it on your own. All right. If you don't mind, if you have used crypto bubble before, let me know in the comment box. If this is the first time you're going to be using it, okay, I'm going to be leaving a link to the crypto bubbles in the video description. You can check it out, on your own. And if this is the first time you're using it, let me know also in the comment box. If you find this video useful, let me know. Okay, I would like to know if you find this quite useful. I can make more of this so that I can expose you to some tools. Okay, I would like to expose you to more tools in the crypto space. All right, by actually making a detailed video about those tools one after the other, so you can get to know them better. Okay, so guys, if you've watched this point, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now. Um, Turn on the notification bell. That's quite important. Okay, share with your friends. Across social media platforms. Okay, share with them across those platforms, and make sure that you leave in the comment down below. Let me know what you've learned so far as this is concerned. Don't just say thank you, welcome. Just let me know exactly what you've learned so far from this. All right. So thanks and have a great day.